what it will take, and we will get there. And the three pillars of this strategic thrust are number one, number two, number three, one window operation. Many of you have been asking, and ask us as many questions as you have about SIFC. We are going to open just one window. We are not unique in that. Finland has done it, succeeded. Singapore has done it, succeeded. Ireland has done it, succeeded. Australia has done it, succeeded. Their ambassadors are sitting here. Ask them if they have not created this one window operation. Is this unique to Pakistan? This is the key cornerstone of our success. One window operation. An investor doesn't care what is federal and what is district, what is security and what is not. They just need a solution. You come to us, you come to SIFC, we present you with the solution. It's led by the Prime Minister of Pakistan. He's present here. The second pivot is that we are going to give very aggressive financial incentives, fiscal incentives, in order for you to invest, and we are going to guarantee through SIFC, that your investment is secure, that you'd be able to create wealth, you'd be able to take wealth, and you'd be able to create prosperity for the people of Pakistan. And the last part, and perhaps the most important part, is that we are going to move towards eventually diffusion of technology and innovation, and we are going to create a whole ecology of innovation around this dust that we're going to turn into development. Next slide, please. So very quickly, how are we going to, what is our theme for building clusters? Our theme for building clusters, as I've mentioned many times, and is also written all around the walls, is dust to development, not just dust. We promise you today, we promise to our nation, not just dust, dust to development, the entire value chain. We committed to it. In short term, we'd create the national resource map and plans. We'd completely digitize them and transparently put them on every wall in Pakistan. One click away. You go and you find exactly what you need to do and how you're going to do it and how much resource is there and how much value can be created and how. We're going to digitize everything. Within the short term, next couple of years, we're going to sign a couple of contracts. We're committed to them. But as I said earlier, before we sign the contract, as Barrick Gold has committed to us and is already delivering on it, you will have to, before you put the shovel into the ground, you will have to build the road infrastructure, you'll have to build the hospitals, you'll have to build the schools, you'll have to build the skills development programs for that particular community, because now you are an official community member. So you will take care of them as you take care of your own children. In the medium term, we're going to build infrastructure. By infrastructure, I mean energy infrastructure, rail infrastructure, road infrastructure. We have SN Iqbal Saab sitting here. I just saw my coach, Dar Saab, sitting here. They know exactly, they've done it before. They know exactly how to build this infrastructure. So we'll build the rail, we'll build the road, we'll build the water infrastructure. And most importantly, we're committed to building the energy infrastructure. We're already looking at geothermal formations so that sustainable energy can be provided for mining and smelting and downstreaming. And we produce green energy. The Prime Minister has already launched 10,000 megawatts of green energy plan. Inshallah, moving forward, it's going to expand much farther, and particularly off-grid solutions, particularly very beneficial for mining. We are going to put a sustainable base load and green infrastructure in those areas. And finally, in third phase, as basically we mine more and more, we are going to build up clusters, we're going to build up smelters, we're going to build up small industrial areas, and this is how we are going to move from dust to development. Next slide, please. Our strategy for easing the regulatory frame.